Oh wait, what the heck?
I just realized I completely forgot a cutting board.
Alright, well, this'll do, I guess. Yeah! Everything just got super quiet. What the heck? Alright, so today I'm gonna be dying to a skinwalker. Look at this forest. Dude, that's so creepy. Though my great-grandpa planted this forest like a long time ago because, you know, he's old and dead. So today I'm gonna build a dope hut back here, camp, survive. Oh my goodness. Maybe clean up some of the trails. Alright, let's find a spot to build this. And I want to take a new banner picture for my YouTube channel and a profile picture because it's kind of weird right now. There's a good chance I could find a homeless person back here. We could do a little homeless person catch, clean, cook. Alright, anyways. Alright, let's find a spot. This looks like a decent spot. I'm not gonna lie. So I was just gonna build right here in the middle of the field, but it looks like people are trying to hunt this land. Oh wait, what the heck? Interesting. Did somebody just shoot a deer and leave it, bro? Something tore the jawbones off the deer and left them in different spots. That's kind of weird. So there's the skeleton over there, and I found some of the hooves right here. Looks like they were literally ripped off the deer. I'm just gonna ignore it. I hope these don't get dirty. I dropped like $1,000 on these off-whites. So every year, white-tailed deer actually shed their antlers. So every late winter, they rub against trees. Oh, hello. So every late winter, they rub against trees to get like the skin off their antlers. And right here, you can see all the marks on that tree where they did that. This one was probably from 2 years ago. It looks a little bit old. I never found the skull of that deer. I want to go see if I can find it. What's really weird is that those deer's bones are like completely clean, but right here is all the fur. Like it should be gone by now. It's really weird. All right. I think we're gonna build right here. It's flat and open. All right, let's unpack. All right, so plans for the shelter. I actually want to build some sort of like wigwam out of like sticks and pine needles. I saw a video of a guy doing it and it looked pretty cool. Everybody on YouTube builds like a lean-to with a tarp on top. It's like super windy out and I think I'm definitely gonna get sniped from a branch. All right, let's go gather some wood. Oh my gosh, dude. Whew, man. All right. All right, we got a bunch of wood. That took a lot longer than I thought. There's not that many straight ones around here, like trees. I mean, I want to cook something up, but I don't want to start a fire here. I'll definitely start a forest fire. So I'm gonna go back to that meadow over there and make some food. Okay, well, this is all dry grass, so I'm building it over there, dude. All right. For food today, we got some steak. I have no idea how long steak can be out, or in a bag, actually. Well, I'm gonna eat it. If you cook anything long enough, it's edible. Dude, this honestly looks so good. All right, ow, burn me. Let's get a fire going. I'm actually kind of in a hurry because I got church group tonight. Okay, I gotta do this quick. All right, I usually use flint and steel. I'm just kind of in a hurry. So in about a month from now, we're gonna have a bunch of morel mushrooms come through. And we get like hundreds of them lined up over there. And they're like super expensive if you wanna sell them. I'm gonna have to cook some up for a video. I just realized I completely forgot a cutting board. All right, well, this'll do, I guess. No! Oh. There we go. I'm assuming the steak is going to take longer than the mushrooms, so I'm going to start cooking that first. Oh yeah! Alright, we got seasoned salt and seasoned pepper. I don't know what the difference is between normal salt and pepper, but it sounds better. Oh, that doesn't have a thing. Oh, that does not look like salt. Okay. Let's flip this John with the Schroork. Yeah, baby. Oh, it's not done. Oh, yeah, that's getting there. Oh, it's touching the dirt. Okay, hold on. Oh, my freaking hand. Oh, wait, is that pork? Dude, I think I just cooked up pork. Ugh. Yeah! Yeah! Oh, get out of there. Eesh. Ow, 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 ow. Okay, this was not a good idea. Alright, this has got to be done now. Ah, why is there so much fire? Ah, you can just cook the shrooms right on that. I've never cooked these before. Yeah. Oh my gosh. You know what? That's salvageable. That was thunder. All right, here we go. A nice balanced diet. I'm gonna bury this fire and then bury this food and head out because there is a storm. Oh my gosh, that plane is low. There's not even any tower. All right, let's throw some grass on there to make it look good. Another low plane. Dude, do you hear all those planes? What is going on? There have been like 7 planes go right over my head. All right, here, let me try these again. I don't think I cooked those long enough. Oh, that's so good. Another plane. Oh, that's a military plane. That is really fast. That was like a Black Hawk. All right, I'm gonna finish this steak and we'll be back tomorrow. It got really cold. It's like 45 degrees out. I can't even, my mouth is frozen. Whew. Last night was like the biggest hailstorm we've ever seen in Michigan. I hopped in the back, bro. I thought it was going to break the windshield, dude. There's still, oh my gosh. Is that person going to pull over? Jeez, dude. It was pretty wild. Today we're going to finish or kind of start this shelter. I actively have mono and it's super cold and I got no sleep. So I'm just going to kind of start. to finish this, I don't have nearly enough wood. But yeah, I don't have enough wood, so let's go get some more. All right. Here's another antler tree. Dude, I'm about to get assassinated by the Lorax. Ooh. Ooh. Yo, hold on, check this out. Yo! Okay. All right, let's finish this tree. Well, hello there. Are you frozen? Oh, you're dead. Okay. Everything just got super quiet. What the heck? Well, you want to help? All right, so the whole walls are going to be this design. It's going to kind of look like a giant pine needle ball. So, all right, we need some firewood. Oh, wow. Oh, watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out. Heads up, heads up, heads up, heads up. This is so stupid, dude. Oh my gosh. Yeah, let's go. Let's make some dogs, baby. Okay.
Where did you find the other sticks?
It should burn up pretty. We literally killed our rooster off that machete.
Okay.
Okay. Dude, these are actually so
Did you
good.
saw off the head or did you whack it off?
Just one whack. That's actually blood. I'm not even kidding.
Okay. Over a trillion layer Damascus metal.
How? You just kept folding it over and over.
He kept.
Anyways, actually, I think it picked it up, dude. It was just the juice, bro. Make it look good. There we go, baby. Just eating it off the machete. I'm gonna finish this, and then we gonna finish the hut tomorrow. Why is my hair doing that? I look like a mushroom. I gotta finish up some of the twine still and then build up the pine needles, and then I think I'm just gonna vibe, I guess. Oh, I thought that was a person. Yesterday it got below freezing and today it's like I think almost 80 degrees. Welcome to Michigan. All right, let's get to work. Not twerk. Let's get to work, not let's get twerk. Well, maybe. I don't know. We'll see what happens. Stay. So these actually got pretty loose over time. So what I've been doing is going around with a stick and then wrapping it in here to create tension and then tie it back onto the pole. This is definitely not going in the video because that was super boring. I only want the walls going up to there because I want the top ventilated. You may be wondering, what if it rains and it comes in through the top right there? Well, there's a house about a quarter mile that way. All right, let's finish this. All right. All right. Yeah, I swallowed so many pine needles. So you guys just saw like a 30-second build montage. That was actually like 4 hours. That took way longer than I thought it would, but this looks crazy. So if you were in a survival situation, I would not suggest trying to build this shelter. This took hours of work. Just stick to the lean-to. It looks 10 out of 10. It would be constantly raining pine needles in your sleep. Honestly, already creating holes in the side. That was all full before. Overall, I'd give it like a solid 5.6 out of 10, maybe. I don't know. It took so long. Sitting in the hammock, got my biblioteca. Or wait, no, that's library, right? Wait, what's Bible in Spanish? I don't know. Anyways, verse of the day. That's not a verse. Here we go. But now that you know God, or rather are known by God, how is it that you are turning back to those weak and miserable forces? Dang, that's deep. Sometimes the trees kind of sound like voices. It's scary. I mean, it's not, but I'm not scared. Shut up. All right, I'm gonna shave my face and sleep off this mono. I am absolutely cooked. That took way too long to build. Something just touched my butt.